If you've been looking for an updated Hostinger coupon code and a straightforward Hostinger review, this video will help you find one of the best web hosting offers available right now. By going through the link in the description or scanning the QR code on your screen, you'll activate an extra 20% discount plus 3 extra months automatically during the checkout process. Here's the reason this offer is worth paying attention to. A lot of links online only include about a 10% extra discount, but this one unlocks a full 20% extra discount together with 3 additional months, making it one of the highest value Hostinger deals currently available. If the website shows pricing for a different region, just press the flag icon in the upper right corner, select your country, and the pricing will refresh instantly. As part of this Hostinger review, you get fast website speeds, a free domain, free SSL protection, daily backups, and light-speed servers for improved loading times. The Hostinger website builder is designed for beginners, making it easy to launch a professional-looking site without technical knowledge. Hostinger is often recognized as one of the best web hosting platforms for both beginners and expanding websites. Every plan also includes a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test the service with confidence. The additional 20% discount together with the 3 bonus months helps cut down the total price by a noticeable amount. Just use the link below or scan the QR code to activate the complete offer instantly. And when your project needs more flexibility, Hostinger includes advanced services like Hostinger VPS, Hostinger Horizons, Hostinger OpenClaw, and Hostinger N8N for smoother scaling. To unlock the full savings, click the link in the description or scan the QR code now to claim your extra 20% discount plus 3 extra months on your Hostinger purchase.